Ever questioned what the key to success in business is? It begins with a clear vision. Imagine where you want to be in 5 years. This isn't just daydreaming, it's active visualization. Visualizing success is the first step towards achieving it. Next, let's delve into the art of setting realistic yet challenging goals. Every sizable victory is built on manageable steps. Cherish each milestone, for they are testament to your progress. Remember, each step taken is a step closer to your dream. Now let's talk about the power of networking. Surrounding yourself with supporters and mentors can propel you towards your business goals. Learning from those who've already walked the path you're on is invaluable. Networking isn't just a buzzword, it's an integral part of business success. Another key to success: lifelong learning. Embrace the ever-changing world by constantly updating your knowledge and skills. Be curious, be adaptable, and never stop growing. In this fast-paced era, education doesn't stop at graduation. Stay ahead by staying open to learning. Finally, we come to one of the most crucial aspects of success: resilience. Failures aren't detours, they're integral parts of our journey to success. Each setback is a valuable lesson, an opportunity for growth. Remember, every failure is a stepping stone to success. In conclusion, success in business hinges on a clear vision, setting challenging but attainable goals, leveraging the power of networking, committing to lifelong learning, and maintaining resilience in face of failure. Believe in yourself, stay focused, and let your passion be your compass. Together, we can walk the path to business success.